Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the figures below are similar. The area of the original figure, pre-image, is 6.5 square units. The figure was dilated by a scale factor of 2.5 to create a second figure, image. Which of the following represents the area of the second figure? So we're looking for the area for the second figure, right? And my second figure right here is my image, right? My original figure, it's actually my pre-image, right? And it's telling us that the area was 6.5 square units and it was dilated by a scale factor of 2.5. So let's write down all this information. So my original figure, which is my pre-image, is 6.5 square units. Okay, my scale factor, and I'm going to write it over here, it's equals to 2.5. So that's the reason why you see the image or the second figure got bigger, because the scale factor is bigger than a 1. Okay, and the question for us is to find the area of the second figure. Okay, so before we do that, since we cannot really find the length of the sides or nothing like that, we're going to go straight to a little formula that you guys need to remember, and it's right here. And that one says, or it states, that if you know the area of the pre-image, and I'm going to write it down here, all you have to do is multiply to that to the scale factor to the second power, and that will give you the new area or the area of the image. Very good. So I do know the area of the pre-image, and that is equals to 6.5 square units. I'm going to multiply that by the scale factor. My scale factor is 2.5. It's right there, right? Look, it's right here. So I'm going to multiply by 2.5 squared. Don't forget to raise it to the second power. And once you do that, you will get the new area, right? And this will be my new area. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So what you do is you multiply 6.5 times, and you can actually raise 2.5 to the second power if you feel more comfortable like that. Okay, so we're gonna have 2.5 raised to the second power, and I get 6.25. Okay, and that will be my new area. I'm gonna write down A prime, because that's actually the area of the new figure. So go ahead and multiply 6.5 times 6.25. And what do we get? We get 40.625, and that's my new area. Okay, so they are actually giving us, we actually work it out all the way, right? But look at the answer choices. In the answer choices, they're basically just setting up the problem, right? So let's look at letter A. Does that look like our problem here? No, right? Because what is it that I'm missing? I'm missing to the second power. Very good. Notice how this over here, it's missing my exponent. Is that right? It doesn't have it. So that's why this is not correct. Very good. Okay, what about letter B? 6.5 times 2.5 to the second power. That looks pretty good, right? What about letter C? 2.5? No, they are actually raising 6.5 to the second power. This, it's what is wrong with it, right? Very good. So that's not right. What about letter D? Oops. Letter D is actually raising everything to the second power. And no, we don't have everything raised to the second power. It's only one of them, right? So my answer, it is going to be letter B. Very good. And we actually went ahead and we worked it all the way. They just set it up for us. So we did a little bit more steps. Awesome.